Let me open this, which is in table form. Okay, so our data has been imported into MATLAB workspace. Okay, so I can use this data. So my goal is to find out, the how many missing data is there and how many numbers that I can, I need to know that how many missing data are there. Okay, so what I can do is, I can first I need to do like the plotting command. So for that, what I can do, I can simply use this, the plotting commands for DAT. So I'm declaring first variable as a DAT. Okay, using this electricity. So this is my file name. Electricity. So you don't have to write in the full name of the file. If you click on the tab, so whatever the related file, it will give, the MATLAB will give you automatically. Okay, so electricity is there. So I'm using this electricity. Okay, and using, I need to know that date. Okay, so date column. So I'm using this date column from here. And I'm giving this semicolon. Okay, to just just separate the results, right? Now it is created into the dat file. Okay, so this is our file. Okay, so this is like a date time file we can create in MATLAB, right? Again, I can do some the trigonometric function here. For example, sine, I want to find out the the values, like pi. If I want to find out the value of the pi, so I can use this sine function. This is MATLAB init function, and give the pi value. So MATLAB will give me the values, right? So for sine pi, so it's same like a 0. Okay. Again, that we want to see some the plotting command. So what I can do is that I already show you that how you can use this plotting command here into MATLAB. Okay, so first it says that you select the variables first. I can use this electricity, and I can see, I can see the whatever the related of this data types. So the different the methods of this plot will enable for me. Okay, if I click on this stacked plot, so MATLAB will open stacked plot with this data variables, right? So you don't have to write in a single line of code. So if you click on this, the plot command, so you will get a data. So, okay, so here you can see, okay, so this is like the data which is from the the 1992 1991, so 1 year. Okay, so what is the value of this total, that this is the total power. So this is the like a day, this is the date that how according to the date that power is going to increasing and reducing. So, okay, for residential, commercial and industrial purpose. Okay, so if I want to give some annotation here, so what I can do, if I just click on this insert tab,